Hello everyone, this is Expose Them TV, and we're in the studio today with K-Ron. He's here to expose a couple people saying that they don't respect his music. He's been on his own for a while. We're about to address all these issues. So, K-Ron, what's up?
Yo, what's up? It's K-Ron. I gotta make it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, can we play one of your hit song, On My Own?
Yeah.
On my own, but I gotta make it. I do my own shit, nobody do it for me. Life is so fucked up, niggas can't you see? Say my mom is on drugs, but I can't even blame. I do a lot of stupid shit, niggas even call me lame. My family hating, that's some fucked up shit. My whole family hating, what the fuck is this? Niggas hating, I'm just wondering why they got my mind fucked up. I look in the sky, I lost my cousin. In 2006, I shed so many tears, what the fuck is this? Niggas getting shot for no damn reason. Laying on the floor, not even breathing. Damn, this shit I see, I do my own shit. Nobody do it for me, but I can't even fake it. That's why I gotta give thanks to the Lord that I make it. I'm on my own, but I gotta make it.
Thank you. Mr. K-Ron, you said some pretty serious stuff in that song. How much of it is true?
A lot of it, because I've been on my own.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. You said you've been on your own in the song.
Yeah.
How long have you been on your own?
I've been on my own for a couple years now, since I was 16.
So, and how old are you now?
I'm 16.
So, how does that make that a couple years? Wouldn't that make that like
no,
just now being on your own?
Because when you on your own, time goes by and you don't know. Like,
let's skip that question. Next question is, you say that the Professa is biased, racist, and prejudiced. Explain.
I'm gonna show you, right? I went down to the studio, you know what I'm saying, to see Professa, because, you know what I mean, I be on my own.
All right.
So you see, this time, I brought Boise, because I'm always on my own.
I see.
And the crazy thing about the thing that made me mad, son, is this, right? How Professa gonna record me first? You know what I mean? I was first.
Okay.
Then he recorded Boise, you know what I'm saying? Did a little mama tune, you know what I'm saying? On my own. You know what I mean? And next time I turn around, I hear Boise tune all over the place. So I'm like, yo, Professa, what's up? What happened to my song? But he was like, you know, he didn't have no time to mix it down or whatever. But I know it's because he didn't think it's all that. You know, because I heard a couple of other songs he did after that, and it was mixed. So how come you ain't mixed mine? I'm telling you, son, he's racist. He doesn't like black people.
But isn't he black?
Yeah.
Isn't Boise black?
Yeah.
So how does he not like black people?
Because when you on your own, you see things. You know what I'm saying?
What?
You see a lot of things when you on your own. It affects your mind and your brain when you're on your own. You see things.
I don't understand what you're saying. I'm not getting to the point. Hold on, we have a phone call. Hello, you're live on Expose Them TV.
Yo, hello, I'm me, Mr. Noripy.
Oh, God.
I'm here some more talk about them a rapper. But me have a rapper right now we want Rapkins. A rapper there. You see me I say?
Okay.
You see? Him name Rap-A-Lot. So yo,
listen.
Rap-A-Lot. Make the boy knows that yo, we are rap about everything.
Listen.
Reggae, R&B, rap, everything.
Oh my
Calypso, soca.
Yo, what's good, son?
Who is
I'm about to
this
take
guy?
that nigga
I'm on
K-Ron
my
head
own.
apart with this rapping shit.
What?
Talk about he a rapping, he been on his own. I kick freestyles and murder that nigga. I never heard of that nigga.
Who is
Yo,
this
what's
kid?
good, son? You want to battle, son?
Son, I don't battle
That nigga
people,
scared.
man. I've
You
been
scared?
on my own, son. I've been doing
So,
me.
Nigga, what does
Life
that...
ain't nothing
Son,
for free.
Son, what does...
I'm on
son,
my own.
Son, what does being on your own got to do with battling niggas, son? You sound like you're
Hold up,
scared, son. You sound like
hold
you
up.
pussy, son.
Son,
I
I'm
just
not
diss you,
pussy,
What's
son.
good, son?
I'm trying to
Fuck.
get money on my own. I've been getting money on my own. Nobody do nothing for me. I do it for myself.
Yeah.
Alright, so I don't know what he talking about.
So K-Ron, if you have to like battle this dude, would you battle this dude? Because this dude is trying to disrespect you. You know what I mean? This guy, Mr. No Repeat, from out of nowhere, calls up and says he has a rapper called Rap-A-Lot, wants to take you down. I mean, what are you gonna do if this guy actually disses you?
If he diss me,
I diss him back, cause I'm on my own.